Thanks guys for showing your interest in my course. My name is Zahida Majid and I am a designer and also I am a makeup artist. So guys, in this course I will tell you the methods to make hair removal wax at home and how to wax your armpits. So in the first section I will tell you how to make hair removal wax at home. First method, how to make the wax and how to use the wax, and question answer and guidelines also included. And in the second section I will tell you second method to make hair removal wax at home. And in the third section I will tell you how to use hair removing wax. There are some methods how to prepare the skin for waxing. Use a pre-made wax strip, and using wax you heat up yourself. And in the fourth section I will tell you how to wax your armpits. Get ready to wax, apply the wax, and question answers. Guys, in the fifth section I will tell you how to wax, methods to do safe wax and waxing safely, waxing body hair, waxing facial hair, waxing safely and effectively. And in the last section I will tell you how to pick hair removal techniques, choosing hair removal techniques to try at home, how to choosing professional hair removal, and choosing the best hair removal techniques for your skin. So guys, in the end of this course you will be able to learn how to make hair removal wax at home. There are two methods that I will tell you how to make wax at home, and also you will learn how to choose hair removing wax and how to use wax for your armpits and how to wax methods to do safe wax. So let's get started.